O versus go. Honorific prefix made easy. So look, I know you are probably feeling confused because you want to sound polite and natural, but not sure when to use o or go during your Japanese learning journey. Now, if that's you, listen closely, because in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use these honorific prefixes the right way. And this simple method could make your Japanese sound more native in just a few minutes.
And I'm Ian. I've heard words like ocha and gohan a lot, but I never know why they're different.
Perfect example. Let's break it down together.
Part 1. What are o and go?
In Japanese, we add o or go before some words to sound more polite. It's a way to show respect. We often do this when talking about things related to others.
So it's not always needed?
Right. It's used to sound soft and respectful, especially in a formal or polite speech.
Part 2. Easy rule. Wago versus Kango.
Here's a simple trick. O goes with Wago, native Japanese word. Go goes with Kango, words from Chinese.
How do I know which is which?
You don't have to memorize them all. Just learn some common examples first.
Part 3. Common examples with o.
The following are native Japanese words. We use o, ocha, tea, omizu, water, okane, money, onamae, name, oyasumi, rest, good night, or day off.
Oh, I say ocha a lot. It feels polite.
Exactly. Native speakers use it naturally, especially in customer service.
Part 4. Common examples with go.
Now, words from Chinese root often use go, gohan, cooked rice or meal, gokazoku, family, goryōshin, parents, goaisatsu, greeting, goshusseki, attendance. Some words came from Chinese Kango, but if people use them a lot in daily life, they start use o instead of go.
So gohan is polite, but it just means rice.
Yes, but also meal. We often use it at mealtime, like gohan desu yo.
Part 5. A few exceptions.
Some words break the rule. For example, Kango, but use odenwa, phone call, otenki, weather, osanpo, for a walk, osouji, cleaning, osentaku, laundry.
Ah, that's tricky.
It is. But just focus on the basic for now.
Part 6. Recap and tip.
Let's review. Use o with native Japanese word wago. Use go with Chinese origin word kango. There are some exceptions, but don't stress over them now.
So if I say o no mae wa nan desu ka, is that polite and natural?
Yes, great. That's the best way to say it.
If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.
And if you want to practice speaking with us, check out Nihon Nexus in the description.
See you in the next video.
See you in the next video. 見てくれてありがとう。またね。